Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on accepted your follow request on your Threads app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can to turn on this mark or this sign on your app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on down, then it's going to take you to your profile here in this window. Then you just go up, you click here on this sign here on app, and it's going to take you here in this window. You just click here on notifications, and you come to a notifications window here. Just click here on following and followers. Then you come to a next window here. You just come here to your accepted your follow request. You will click here on turn on here, and like you said, this color show for us here and this sign that's mean accepted your it's turned on accepted your follow request on your Threads app. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.